Today we are going to discuss theorem number 3 of our chapter 11, arcs and chords. The statement of the theorem is equal chords of a circle or of congruent circles. They already tell us that the circles are congruent, so their equal chords subtend equal angles at the center at the corresponding centers. It means that the equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center of the circle of both the corresponding circles. Okay, so here we have the given is ABC and A dash, B dash and C dash are two congruent circles. This is the statement from which we know this is our given with centers O and O dash respectively, so that the chords AC and A dash C dash chords are equal. Okay, according to the statement equal chords, so these two chords AC and A dash C dash chords are equal. I have drawn with the pen. Okay, so this is your given from here to here. Okay, equal chords of a circle of congruent triangles. So this is the equal chords and two circles are congruent. To prove, we have to prove the central angles. So the angle is AOC is congruent to angle A dash, O dash and C dash. For this construction, what we have to construct, let if possible measurement angle AOC is not equal to measurement angle A dash, O dash and C dash, then consider angle AOC is congruent to angle A dash, O dash and D dash. This is your construction. Look at the figure. This is the angle AOC which is not equal to angle AOC dash. So we have construct here triangle angle A dash, O dash and D dash. This angle is congruent to this angle. In the proof of this theorem we have take a supposition, you must say. Okay, this consider is basically a supposition. Statement is angle AOC is congruent to angle A dash, O dash and D dash. This is from the construction. Your arc AC is congruent to arc A dash and D dash because arcs subtended by equal central angles in congruent circles. When you said these two angles are congruent, then the arc subtended by these two angles must be congruent. So from here we can write arc AC is congruent to arc AD. Okay, measurement AC is congruent to measurement A dash D dash because it is from theorem 1 statements. And look at the theorem 1 statement which says if two arcs of a circle are congruent then the corresponding chords are equal. Here we say that the two arcs are congruent, so their corresponding chords are equal. Okay, but we know that measurement AC is equal to A dash C dash. These two chords are equal. Here it is from the given. So measurement A dash and C dash is equal to measurement A dash and D dash using 2 and 3. These two equations, their left hand side is equal, so their right hand side must also be equal, which is only possible. How it is possible? If C dash point coincides with D dash, it means C point is basically the D point. Both the points are same. Here measurement angle A dash, O dash, C dash is equal to measurement angle A dash, O dash and D dash, but measurement angle A dash, O dash and D dash is equal to measurement angle AOC. This is from the construction. So when again that both the right hand sides are equal, so it means the angles are also equal on the right hand side. This is your right hand side, this is your left hand side. So when these two sides are equal, then these two sides are also equal. So measurement angle AOC is equal to measurement angle A dash, O dash and C dash. This is from using equation 4 and 5. This is a proof of your theorem number 3, which says that the corresponding central angles are also equal, and we have proved it that the corresponding central angles are equal.